to Channel 4 News. I am your host, Chocolate. So our weather for today for all cats is nice, because most cats live indoors if they're watching this right now. Indoors. And here we have Fuji to talk about some of the good things in life. Wait, hang on, Fuji, just wait a second. Perfect. Blend in. Perfect. There's breaking news. What? Breaking news. The cops have just caught a mortal burglar that has been out for 23 days. Here's an image. He's now being sentenced to jail for 3 cat lives. And this is all that we have for Channel 4 News. Good night.